Hello everyone, welcome to UpperKey's YouTube channel. Today we're going to delve into an intriguing strategy in the Airbnb market, rent arbitrage. If you're an Airbnb host or considering becoming one, this is a strategy you might want to explore. Rent arbitrage is a business model where you rent a property and then sublet it on Airbnb. The goal is to earn more from the Airbnb income than what you're paying in rent, thereby making a profit. But how does it work? Let's break it down. First, you need to find a property to rent. This could be an apartment, a house, or even a unique space like a treehouse or a boat. Once you've found the right property, you negotiate a lease with the landlord. It's crucial to ensure that subletting is allowed in your lease agreement to avoid any legal issues down the line. After securing the lease, you list the property on Airbnb. The aim is to rent it out for more than what you're paying in rent. The difference between your rental income and your rental expense is your profit. Sounds simple, right? But like any business model, rent arbitrage comes with its own set of risks and rewards. On the reward side, rent arbitrage can be a lucrative business model. It allows you to start an Airbnb business without owning a property, which lowers the barrier to entry. It also offers the potential for high returns if you're able to keep your property booked consistently. But on the risk side, there are a few things to consider. First, there's the risk of vacancies. If you can't rent out your property, you'll still need to pay the rent. Second, there's the risk of damage to the property. And third, there's the risk of changes in the market or in Airbnb's policies. So, how can you succeed with rent arbitrage? Here are a few tips. First, do your research. Understand the market, the demand, and the competition. Look for properties in desirable locations that will attract guests. Second, negotiate a good lease. Try to get a long-term lease to secure your business for a longer period. Also, ensure that your lease allows subletting. Third, provide an excellent guest experience. Happy guests leave positive reviews, which can help attract more bookings. And finally, consider working with a property management company like UpperKey. We can help you manage your Airbnb listing, handle guest communication, and ensure your property is well maintained. We hope this video has been helpful in understanding rent arbitrage and how you can leverage it to succeed in the Airbnb market. If you have any questions or need assistance with managing your property, feel free to reach out to us at UpperKey. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more property management tips and insights. Thanks for watching. Contact us at UpperKey for more information. See you in the next video.